In a verdant meadow nestled between rolling hills, a solitary thistle bloomed. Its prickly exterior belied its inner beauty, its vibrant purple petals a stark contrast against its spiny leaves. One day, a humble farmer, weary from toil, stumbled upon this thistle. He paused, noticing its radiant color amidst the monotony of the meadow. Intrigued, he reached out to touch it, but the thistle recoiled, pricking his hand. The farmer, taken aback, felt a sudden surge of anger. He swore to uproot the thistle, to rid the meadow of its prickly presence. But as he reached for his hoe, a gentle voice echoed in his mind. "Wait," it said, "my thorns serve a purpose." Intrigued, the farmer paused. He looked around, but saw no one. Yet, the voice was clear and insistent. He decided to listen. "My thorns," the thistle explained, "protect me from those who would trample me. They ensure I am not eaten by the creatures that roam this meadow. My beauty, though, is for all to see." The farmer, touched by the thistle's wisdom, reconsidered his actions. He realized that sometimes the most prickly of us have the deepest wisdom to share. He decided to leave the thistle alone, and the meadow flourished. From that day forward, the farmer saw the world differently. He understood that every creature, no matter how prickly, has a purpose. And he lived his days with a newfound respect for the thorns that guarded the beauty within.